Welcome back to Casa Stefano. I'm in the tiny bathroom, and I don't have the light on. I got this LED light. That yellow one right there. And when I used it the other time when I was chipping off all the tiles, I was getting a flicker. That's like a frequency interference. So kind of have enough light. You can see what's going on. Today what I'm going to do is I've got some rapid set cement, and I can kind of tell here they cemented mostly to maintain the height. They put cement on the bottom of the waste pipe where the toilet goes. Before I start to screed out this floor, I want to set the shower as well with cement and kind of space some of these pipes as much as I can, a little bit, and get some cement in there, and also just get some quick set around the waste pipe. It's kind of flexible, so I don't want it compressing. Although it will all be filled in with a dry pack, so you'll see. But anyway, let's get started. We'll prep the area, and then we'll go get mix up some cement. Yay! Welcome to Casa Stefano. This is my story of buying a house in Italy, sight unseen, during the pandemic, and the adventure of renovating the house and exploring the Salento in southern Puglia. So here we go. Here's the rapid set cement. This stuff sets in about 5 minutes, so you don't really have a huge work time. So once it's ready to go, we gotta get it down. So I'm gonna do small batch. This bag mixes with 25 kilos, mixes with 5 liters of water. So I'm going to guess about 5 kilos. And I've got a liter of water ready to go. Kind of some guesswork here. So let's see. All right, let's go. This stuff sets up so incredibly fast. It starts loose, really loose in there, and it's thick by the time you get it here. So I gotta work fast. So that, my friends, is how you pretend to know what you're doing. That stuff sets up, they said 5 minutes, more like 2 or 3, and it was barely workable. Right now, it's hard to the touch. The first little bit that I put down over around the waste pipe for the toilet is already rock hard. So I didn't want to go too crazy. I just wanted to get some support in key areas, mainly around the flange for the shower. It's one thing very different that they do here in the US. You would lay your screed up to and under that flange, and then you would put your waterproofing and tile on top of the flange. Here, you actually screed over the top of the flange. That's why I was getting that all level. And then this can be raised and lowered depending on where the height of your floor is going to be. So in this case, let's see what we got. So that right there is the old floor, which is the same level as this part over here. So what we want to do is have the screed slope down to here, right? And we only need about a 3/8 inch drop here, which is probably that. So we still have plenty of room. Level is there. Level is actually where I've set that. So you can see kind of, can you? You can't really, but there's about, there's a good 2 inches, 4 or 5 centimeters under that. So plenty of room to pack in the floor. I should be able to get rid of this thing and it'll be flush. This will all be tiled over. So we'll get a nice slope. Walking into the bathroom with no threshold. So that was exciting, for me anyway. Mixing a bucket, bringing it in here and having like less than a minute to work with it and get it down. That's why it looks so sloppy, and because it set quickly. But the dry pack will fill all this in and will be, you know, rock hard cement once it's laid and the slope for the shower pan is put in. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.